Hi everyone, today we're going to make Ghonglu ghosht or Shaljam ghosht, and this is also turnips and ghosht. I have 1.5 onions here which I'm going to blend. I've got some ginger and garlic, which if blended it would be about a tablespoon of garlic paste and a tablespoon of ginger paste. And now I will blend everything together. Pressure cooker pan. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I've added the onion mixture to the oil. Pound of mutton. I've added a teaspoon of salt, and salt is to your taste. I've added 1 teaspoon of paprika and ½ teaspoon of haldi. To this mutton, I'm going to add about 3 cups of water, and I'm going to pressure cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes until the meat softens up. Check the meat, and it's still on the harder side, and I will probably pressure cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes soft. Meanwhile, I'll blend 1.5 tomatoes and 2 green chilies, and the green chilies are to your taste. And the tomato blend into the pressure cooker, and then pressure cook it for further 15 minutes. Adjust your salt and give everything a mix, and now on goes my pressure cooker. I will pressure cook it for 15 more minutes. I'm going to wash and peel my turnips. I got 3 of them, and these are also called Ghonglu, so I'm going to peel every one of them and then dice them. Pressure cooker, and the meat looks soft, and now I'm going to add my diced turnips. This is also your time to check for the spices, the salt and the chilies. I need to top up a little more salt. So at this point, I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Now I have brown sugar, you could use white, and give everything a good mix. We'll pressure cook it for further 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of pressure cooking, I've added a teaspoon of garam masala and a teaspoon of ginger paste. I now add a tablespoon of cilantro. We heat it up and serve it up with rice. It's a very nice dish for with rice, and it's a great dish for the winter. The turnips are supposed to warm you up. Like, share and subscribe. See you later. Bye for now.